make it a little harder because you just are always resetting the symptoms every time you go outside.
Yeah, Florida's allergy season has quite a few people across the Bay Area struggling anytime they're outside.
The News Channel 8's Andy Mapp spoke to a health expert on what you can do to find some relief.
Health experts say it's not an easy time for people who suffer from seasonal allergies, as being outside for just a few minutes can trigger symptoms that doctors say resemble a common cold.
My eyes are watery or swollen. It's not very pleasant.
Stephanie Altorfer-Prusha says dealing with pollen has become a daily battle.
My car is black and it's mostly yellow or green. I've run it through the car wash a couple times a week. But it's really hard when I shut the door and then, touch anything, like it just attaches to you.
Stephanie says the pollen affects her sinuses, causing sneezing, irritated eyes, and problems with her voice. But she is taking medications to help.
Do have some relief between mixing the daytime medicine and the nighttime medicine on top of my regular vitamins.
Dr. Jason Wilson is the chief of emergency medicine at Tampa General Hospital. He says over-the-counter antihistamines can help tackle symptoms, but there are other measures residents should consider.
Take a look at the pollen forecast and plan around, how to spend your time outside. Also, things like showering and washing our hands after we come back from outside make a big difference.
Research from the American College of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology states pollen seasons are getting longer and becoming more intense. Dr. Wilson says patients with a history of asthma may experience stronger symptoms.
Those folks should have things like prescription medicines likely as well, around like a rescue inhaler, maybe even a steroid inhaler. For the vast majority of us, though, this is almost a nuisance more than it's, a serious medical concern.
Dr. Wilson says if a person takes over-the-counter medications and feels as if their symptoms are getting worse, that person should seek medical care. Reporting in Hillsborough County, Annie Mapp, 8 on your side.